Hi guys, today we will be learning how we can install WordPress on a specific domain in our cPanel. So most of a few hostings don't provide in WordPress installation, easy WordPress installation on their dashboards. So we have to go to the cPanel of that specific hosting and then install WordPress on our domain, and then we can work on WordPress. So let's start it. First of all, you are in the cPanel dashboard. Now scroll down to Word applications, and here you can see WordPress. There are other applications as well. So click on WordPress. The domain has already been purchased. So here we have it. Click on install. Now here we have our domain. You can just click it and see all the domains you have and select the appropriate domain. Now go down, do it recommended, make it to, it is up to you, but make it to update to minor versions. Do not automatically update. Do not update. Now you have to set your WordPress username and password here. So I'll be doing it. Here you can add your WordPress website title and your tagline. I'll change it afterwards. Do not enable two-factor, no login, and that's it. Now click on install. It might take approximately 2 to 3 minutes or less than that. Yeah, you can see that's done, and we have our WordPress. So let's see. That's simple. So this is how you can install WordPress on your cPanel, and now you can work on it. If you want more videos like this, do comment and do like and subscribe if this video helped you. Have a great day. Bye bye.